It's strange. Nothing in my life feels bad, but nothing feels like it's moving either.
What do you mean?
Work is stable, money's okay, life feels comfortable. And somehow that worries me.
Worries you how?
Like I could stay right here forever. Not struggling, not growing, just existing at this level.
That's a quiet fear. Because on the surface, everything looks fine. A lot of people hit this stage. They're not stressed enough to change, but not excited enough to move.
Yeah. And it feels ungrateful to even say that out loud. I keep telling myself, don't complain. This is what you worked for. But at the same time, it feels like something stalled.
That tension is usually the clue. Comfort is tricky because it feels like success, but it behaves like glue.
Glue?
Yeah, it holds everything together and keeps everything in place.
So the problem isn't that things are bad, it's that they're good enough.
Exactly. Good enough to stop questioning, good enough to stop pushing, good enough to delay uncomfortable decisions. You lock in routines, monthly payments, predictable days. Nothing feels urgent anymore.
And without urgency, nothing really changes.
That's the comfort trap. It doesn't drain your money fast. It drains your momentum slowly.
That's why it's hard to notice.
Exactly. There's no crisis, no wake-up call. Just time quietly passing.
But comfort isn't bad, right? Stability is a good thing.
It is, until it becomes the reason you stop evolving. Comfort isn't dangerous because it hurts. It's dangerous because it convinces you there's no reason to change.
That explains why I feel restless without knowing why.
Restlessness is usually ambition with nowhere to go. This phase hits hardest once life fills up. Career responsibilities, long-term commitments, people depending on you. At that point, comfort starts feeling responsible.
And risky at the same time.
Exactly. Leaving comfort feels reckless, even when staying feels limiting. That's why people stay stuck longer than they expect.
So being stuck doesn't mean I made bad choices.
No, it usually means your choices worked, and now they need to be re-examined.
I never thought comfort could be the thing holding me back.
Most people don't, because it never feels like a problem.
The comfort trap that keeps people stuck.
Exactly.
I guess noticing it is the first step.
It usually is.